How to fix Strange Antiquities crashing on Steam. First, you want to right-click the game in your library and then open up the Properties window. And then under Launch Options, you want to type -D3D11 like this, or you can try -DX11 if the first one does not work properly. Now you want to go to the Installed Files and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files button and wait for this process to finish. Now, once this is done, you can close out of this and then open up your GPU app. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to the drivers section and check the Game Ready driver Dropbox. Make sure to download and install the latest Game Ready driver. You can also try to reinstall it if you have the latest one. Now, once you're done, you can open up your browser. Then search for Redist. Click on the first link and then scroll down to this table. Make sure to download the latest 86.4 version and 64 version. Both of them need to be downloaded and installed for Windows. And once you finish installing these, you will need to basically restart your computer. And after the restart, before you launch the game, you will need to run Steam as administrator. And then just launch the game, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.